Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Let us do some of the extra questions for your practice. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Determine its measure. What is complement? If there is a 90 degrees angle and you divide it into two parts, so if this is theta, what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 minus theta, right? These two angles are complementary to each other. Why? Because their sum is 90 degrees. Okay, so an angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Let the angle be theta. So its complement will be 90 minus theta, and as per the given condition, this angle is 5 times its complement. So as per given condition, theta is equal to 5 times 90 minus theta, right? And we need to find value of theta. So theta is equal to 5 into 90, that is 450, minus 5 theta, right? So we bring this 5 theta here, so 6 theta equal to 450. Hence I can say theta is equal to 450 divided by 6, which is 75 degrees. So theta, or the angle that we require, is equal to 75 degrees. Okay. Two supplementary angles are in ratio 2:3. What are supplementary angles? Let us say this is a straight line, so this is a straight angle, that is 180 degrees. If I draw another ray here, these angles are supplementary angles because their sum is 180 degrees. So if this is theta up to this, and this is alpha, right, this one, theta plus alpha is equal to 180 degrees, right? It means that theta and alpha are supplementary. Now in this question, two supplementary angles are in this ratio. So let the angles be 2x and the other will be 3x to maintain this ratio here. And these are supplementary. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees, right? So you have to write that these angles are supplementary, hence 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. So 5x equal to 180, hence x is equal to 180 degrees by 5, that is 36 degrees. So this is the value of x. We need to find the angles. So the angles are 2x, that is twice of 36, 72 degrees, and 3x, thrice of 36, that is 108 degrees. So these are the angles. Okay, so you just need to know that what are supplementary angles. The sum of those angles should be 180 degrees. So these angles are supplementary. Hence we applied this in this question. If an angle is 28 degrees less than its complement, find its measure. So let the angle be theta. Its complement will be 90 minus theta, and the angle is 28 degrees lesser than its complement. So as per the given condition, theta is 90 minus theta minus 28. Okay, now I can bring this theta here, so it will become 2 theta equal to 90 minus 28, that is 62 degrees. Hence theta is equal to 62 divided by 2, that is 31 degrees. Okay, so this is the angle here. If the angles 2x minus 10 degrees and x minus 5 degrees are complementary angles, find value of these angles. Find the angles. Now these two angles are complementary, which means their sum is is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because these are complementary, it is already given. So let's put their sum equal to 90 degrees. 2x minus 10 plus x minus 5 is equal to 90 degrees. 2x plus x is 3x. 10 plus 5 is 15, so 15 can be taken on other side like this. 3x is equal to 105. Hence I can say x is equal to 105 by 3, that is 35 degrees. This is the value of x. Now the angles are 2x minus 10, that is twice of 35 minus 10, 70 minus 10, that is 60 degrees, and the other one is x minus 5. So x minus 5 is 35 minus 5, that is 30 degrees. So this is your answer. 60 degrees and 30 degrees. As you can clearly see, these are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degrees. If the supplement of an angle is 2/3 of it, right? Let us say, let the angle be theta. Supplement of this angle will be 180 minus theta. Now the supplement of this angle is 2/3 of it. So 180 minus theta is 2/3 of theta. This is the given condition. Okay. Determine the angle and its supplement. So we need to find theta and 180 minus theta. Now if I cross multiply this 3 here, it will be 540 minus 3 theta and it is equal to 2 theta. So 540 is equal to 5 theta. Hence theta is equal to 540 by 5, that is 108 degrees. So this is the angle and its supplement obviously its supplement will be 180 minus 108, that is 72 degrees. So the angle is 108 and its supplement is 72 degrees. Okay. An angle is 14 degrees more than its complementary angle. Find its measure. So let the angle be theta. Its complementary angle or its complement will be 90 minus theta, right? And this angle is 14 degrees more than its complement. So theta is 14 degrees more than its complement. So let us put it in this equation form. What is its measure? So we need to find theta. So if I bring it here, it will be 2 theta equal to 104. Okay. So theta is equal to 104 by 2, that is 52 degrees. This is your answer. Okay. This was a pretty simple question. So these were some of the practice questions. In the next exercise, we will move on to some other important questions of lines and angles, where we will discuss about other type of angles also, corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, alternate interior angles, and consecutive interior angles also, which are also known as co-interior angles, right? Thank you.